reservations that were made about a month in advance. Now, normally I would recommend checking out the views from the London house, but maybe on a day when it's about 30 degrees. On top of it, and you've got that Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Now this tower is 1,388 feet tall, 92 stories high. Can you guys see that pointy stick on top? That's called an architectural spire. A spire is decorative. It cannot be removed from a building. It counts at a building's height. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between that and an antenna a little bit later. All right, so Trump International Hotel and Tower completed in 2009. Architect Adrian Smith, very special guy, as we know, holding the record for the tallest building in the world right now. Check this out. It took 720 million pounds of concrete to construct this building. That is 20. Now, we're going to get a closer look at this building after we clear the bridge here. Mies van der Rohe believes less is more when it comes to architecture. So you can see here his style, the very simple, as well as the Langham Hotel there at the base. Now you guys just caught a glimpse of two very unique towers, right? Coming back into view here, you guys are going to be face to face with the two most photographed towers in Chicago. This is Marina City. Okay? All right, now we're going to talk about this building in just a moment. Take a note at its shape and size. Half of the country here in Chicago. Okay, what's going on at the fair? Lots of exciting things making their big debut in 1893. Cracker Jacks, Juicy Fruits Gum, Pabst Blue Ribbon Beer. All right, there we go. The Zipper, hey. Also my favorite, Aunt Jemima's box of everything you need. Pancake mix, yes. 65 stories high, built in 1990, designed by Cohn Pedersen and Fox. Those drum-shaped structures at the top contain 1,400 fluorescent lights that illuminate the sky at night very beautifully, changing colors all year round. Okay, let's talk about that Sears Tower. Architect Bruce Graham gets together with engineer Dr. Fosler Khan. Together they came up with bundled tubular construction. Look.
It's 4 p.m. I'm at North Avenue Beach in Chicago. Barely anyone here, and yeah, enjoying the view. Different view again of Chicago. And we'll be leaving to Boston tonight. Just at the beach. Chicago. We're on our way to check out that massive McDonald's across the road, but then we saw this place. So I scrapped the McDonald's idea. Come into Portillo's instead. Chicago. So just finished our dinner at what are the names? The famous hot dog place in Chicago.
Hot dogs.
Yeah, that's the one.
Check it out. Good place.
And yeah, got about an hour or two, I think, to spare back at our hostel before we fly off to Boston.